Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out a product that I have been using on a more regular basis, and I want to share with you. It's a Wi-Fi camera, 2.4 gigahertz, solar charged. It's all by itself. It has it uses six 3.7 volt batteries that are in the pack underneath the solar panel. It is something that I recommend everybody to get because it works so freaking well. I have 3 on the property at the moment, and I want to show them to you. You guys need to get this product. So let's go check it out. All right, so this is one of them here. This keeps an eye on my boat. I'll show you a shot of that. This also has a quick response for Wi-Fi. I have a Ubiquiti access point on the outside of the home. Right there, smack in the middle. I'll put a little circle around it. All right, so let's bring this back over. So this camera pretty much watches the boat. And this one here, I just put up today. I have it set for motion alarm. So when it actually detects motion, it actually sounds an alarm. So it knows that you were there. I just had to go off, but I'm not sure if it'll go off again. But this is pretty high. Let me back up so you can see how high it is. I have a great shot of it, and I'll show you the view of this as well. I have a link in the description below to purchase these bad boys. They are absolutely worth the money. They work absolutely incredible, and I'll show you video of the PTZ of all 3 cameras. All right, so this is the new camera I just installed. PTZ is nice and quick. The Wi-Fi signal is right on point. It's really close. Full motion of range. I can go down as well. And up. This is the highest I can go, which is fine. You're not trying to record the sky unless you want to record lightning. So this is the view that I want to keep for this one. This one here is on a tree. Most of them are because of the strategic placement of them. This one I've had. This is the original one I had, and the product is absolutely incredible. This one, I'll show you the view of this shot as well. The Wi-Fi connectivity on this one is a little sluggish. It has access, but it's not as quick or precise because it is a little, doesn't have really good Wi-Fi signal where it is. And I know it is. I know the fact. I know it's a fact. So I have this is viewing this side, like driveway and stuff. And the best part about these cameras is that it doesn't require power to them. It has these massive 3.7 volt batteries in them, little 18650 batteries in them, and the solar panel charges them. And you have plenty of runtime, which is incredible. And I love it. So let's go to the conclusion. So as you can see, these cameras really, really rock really well. I'm in my home, as you can clearly see, in the kitchen, no less. I'm not going downstairs into the recording studio. I'm doing it like right here. So you can see I'm more of a personal guy. You know, I like to do things a little bit differently and make you guys feel more at home and more a genuine feeling of a review. And that's what I like to do. So you're in my kitchen. And it's the day after Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Anyway, this product rocks totally. I'm giving it the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I was not sponsored by the company. I did this on my own, and this is the 3rd one. I'm going to probably get a 4th one for just $100. They work incredible. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.